It's 27 degrees. Y'all can see the beaver's been putting in some work on these few trees right in here. Y'all check out this rub right in here. Now this is usually something I would cook at the house for Abby and I. I should do it. A big old bowl of Korean stew with some noodles. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Kappelle Outdoor video. As you can see, I am bundled up like an Eskimo, and I got my Badlands 2200 loaded up with some gear. It's 27 degrees, and the wind is blowing at about 19 miles an hour, and the feels like temperature is about 4 degrees. So it's pretty cold. I don't know if y'all can see it, but occasionally there'll be some white flurries and coming down. So yeah, we're getting a little bit of snow. You know, I told myself that I wasn't even gonna fool with bringing my shotgun because I didn't think I would see anything. But knowing my luck, which literally just happened right now, I had about 6 crows fly overhead. So came back to the truck and grabbed the shotgun. Well, I will say though, now that I'm down here in the thick of the woods, it just blocks so much of that wind. It just feels a whole lot better down in here. Starting to get some feeling back in my fingers now that I've been moving around. So I just spotted 2 squirrels right here on the tree. I think, yeah, they're still here. So there's another one back over there to the left of the screen. He's about to cross the clearing. Nope, they went up a tree. There's 2 of them. So there's some squirrels down here. I'm not really sure if I want to shoot them or not. Not really in the mood for squirrel. Y'all can see the beaver's been putting in some work on these few trees right in here. Which I don't blame him, the river's just right down there. Come up here, had him a little snack. Don't know if y'all will be able to tell on the camera, but it's starting to snow again a little bit. I just tell you what though, it is just absolutely gorgeous to be out here in the woods today. Like, I know a lot of y'all find peace in something else, rather it be just at the home with a loved one, or just at home playing video games, or whatever you're into, or whatever your hobby is. But for me, it's the woods, man. Like, the only place you're gonna get peace and quiet, like absolutely, truly peace and quiet, is out here in the woods. You know, check this out. Well, the beaver is up in here having a field day. Oh, there's sounding like some ducks on the river today. You know, check out this rub right in here. That's a nice rub. All right, guys, we have found us a spot. Is this the spot that I was looking for? No, but we're gonna make it work. All right, guys, so we got the tarp set up here, and it took me a lot longer than what I wanted. Now I did just do an A-frame, slightly modified here. I'll show y'all in the back. So, kind of in the back a little bit. Got some temporary doors, whatever, but it keeps the some of the wind from coming in. Get y'all to look on the inside. So I got my chair set up and my bag's just off the ground here. But it's just going to be a nice little shelter to get out of the wind. having some snow flurries out here, so that's pretty cool. All right, guys, now that we have the tarp set up here, I think we're gonna go ahead and get some lunch going. So I think we're gonna do some kind of like Korean stew of some sort. I kind of really put this together, just kind of willy-nilly at the house. So don't worry, it'll still be good. The stove we're gonna use here is the MSR Pocket Rocket here. I've had this stove for a while. I really like it. Boils water in like no time. So, and I mean, you can see how small it compacts down here. I mean, just kind of like in the palm of your hand there. If I had to guess, that's probably like what, two and a quarter maybe. Probably about 2.5 inches max overall length like that. See, it's pretty small. But yeah, I kind of keep this all in this one container, so you can't really beat it. Yeah, it's gonna be really tricky cooking in here. Just super windy, super windy. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put some water in here and then get this thing going. So got the water going there. And then, so kind of like in this big jumbo bag here, it's not really big, but I got bean sprouts, some tofu, and then there's fish cake in here. Then obviously gotta have some noodles. And then I got some kimchi to put in there. And then here I have a mixture of, so this is 2 different kind of pastes that I mixed together. This is a gochujang paste and then soybean paste. I mixed that together. And I also got some red pepper flakes, like some Korean red pepper flakes in here, and then some sugar. And it's kind of mixed up all in there, but I'm gonna try to just, we're just gonna go ahead and dump the whole thing in there. Oh, no. So we're gonna go ahead and get the tofu in there. So we're just gonna dig out the tofu and plop it in there. Now this is usually something I would cook at the house for Abby and I. You can do it tons of different ways to do it, but this is the first time that I'm trying bean sprouts and the fish cakes. All right, so I got my little piggy cutting board here, and we're gonna take our fish cakes out. So it just comes in a big sheet like that, and you cut them up however you want. But we're just gonna go ahead and dump the bean sprouts in here. Then we're just gonna take our fish cakes here and cut them up. And we're just gonna go ahead and very gently put this stuff in there. And then we're just gonna go ahead and add the kimchi in there. Now, for like soups and stews, you would want like fermented kimchi to where it's like just slightly on the verge of being sour. But I do not have any of that. I just have fresh kimchi because we bought this like, I would say a week ago. But it'll still work. All right, gonna let the noodles boil for a little bit, and then we're gonna add the rest of our little seasonings here. All right, I think we're just gonna go ahead and add our Korean red pepper flakes and the sugar. That should do it. A big old bowl of Korean stew with some noodles. So I'm gonna try some fish cake here. That's always so good. Those, sorry, they're really hot. The kimchi always holds some heat in there, man. It's hot. I got some chopsticks here. But I'm gonna dive into this, finish up, and I'll see y'all back when I get done. All right, guys, well, we got day camp all cleaned up. I tell you, that lunch was good, man. It had me dripping, man. It's hot. Just what I needed on this cold day. But yeah, I think we are all packed up. Left no trace as always. So we're gonna hit the trail and get on back to the truck.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine, gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive.
But guys, we made it back to the truck. Hope you all enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed making it. Even though we didn't do the tarp shelter that I wanted, it was still a great experience just to come out here and, you know, freeze my butt off. But anyway, if y'all want to see more content like this, don't forget to check out the rest of my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.